Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering on Paper. In today's video, we will learn about AI learning models. Learning is a basic part of AI. Learning helps AI improve its knowledge by observing data or environment. Learning helps AI to improve its knowledge by observing data or environment. There are two views of learning. The first one is conceptual view and technical or mathematical view. There are basically two views of learning in AI. The first one is conceptual view and second one is technical view, which is also called a mathematical view. Coming to conceptual view, in conceptual view, AI learns by observing and improving its understanding. In conceptual view, AI learns by observing the things and it improves its understanding. In second technical or mathematical view, AI is given many input-output pairs and learns to predict the output for new inputs. In a technical or mathematical view, AI is given with many input-output pairs and it will predict the output for new input pair with the help of the input-output pairs that is given to it before. Next, coming to the main types of AI learning models, there are two main types of AI learning models that are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. First one is supervised learning. In supervised learning, the AI is trained using labeled data, means input plus the correct answer is given to the AI. The AI is turned using labeled data. The labeled data means input plus the correct answer. Example, you show images of cats and dogs with labels cat or dog. The second one is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, the AI is trained using unlabeled data, means only input is given and no correct answer, means no answer is given. Only the input is given. The AI finds patterns or groups in its own. With the help of input that is given to the AI, it finds patterns or groups on its own. Example, grouping customers based on buying behavior. Grouping the customers based on the criteria of their buying behavior. Next, we will learn about knowledge-based classification of learning. AI learning can also be classified based on how knowledge is represented or used. AI learning can be classified based on how the knowledge in the AI is represented and how the knowledge in the AI is used. In this, there are two main types that are inductive learning and deductive learning. Coming to inductive learning, in inductive learning, AI learns general rules from examples. In inductive learning, from the examples, AI will learn about the general rules. AI will look at many input-output pairs and finds a pattern. Means using the input-output pairs that is given to AI, it will find the pattern. And the algorithm example of inductive learning is KBIL, which stands for knowledge based inductive learning. Here it will use the background knowledge and the examples to form the good hypothesis. In KBIL, background knowledge plus examples are used to find the good hypothesis. In simple words, inductive learning means AI will learn rules from the examples. From examples, AI will learn the rules. The second type of learning is deductive learning. In deductive learning, the learning will starts with rules and uses logic to create better rules or conclusion. First, we will start with the rules. and then we will derive the conclusions or create the better rules in deductive learning. In inductive learning, what we did, we will create general rules from the example. In deductive learning, we will go from rules to conclusions or rules to create better rules. Deductive learning, it does not learn from scratch, but it improves its existing knowledge. In deductive learning, the AI will not learn from the scratch, but it improves the knowledge which it already has. Coming to the techniques that are used in deductive learning, the first one is knowledge based learning, and the second one is relevance based learning. Knowledge based learning, which is also known as EBL. In knowledge based learning, we will take one example and explain why it is correct using existing rules, and then we will generalize the example to create the new rule. So in explanation based learning, taking one example and explains why it is correct using existing rules, then generalizes the explanation to create new rule. Second one is relevance based learning, which is also known as RBL. It focuses on finding important attributes and creates new rules logically. Here, the new rules are created logically. And in relevance based learning, unnecessary informations are removed. So relevance based learning, which is also known as RBL, it focuses on finding important attributes and creates new rules logically. It removes unnecessary informations. In simple words, deductive learning starts with rules, followed by reasoning, and then creates the improved rules. So this is about AI learning models. Thank you.